Friends, welcome and greetings to everyone. Today we would like to talk about door bolts that are used for door security, and my papa will name them one by one. Papa, what is the name of this bolt?
Cylindrical door knock.
Yes, cylindrical doorknob. You're right. And that on
Tower bolt.
tower bolt. And this on
Sliding bolt.
sliding bolt.
These are used for safety.
Yes. So, dear viewers, you can see these. Look, they are called bolt, and we use them from the inside of the door. This system is implemented for the safety of the people living inside the room. And thank you very much for watching.